Welcome. Today I am with iPhone 13, and on my left and the right we can find two protective cases for this device: Spigen Rugged Armor and Urban Armor Gear Plasma. I will show you both cases. I will put them on the phone so you can see the difference. So let's start from this one, and that's how the package looks, by the way. And that's all from our box. Right now let's open this one, and the box looks like that. Here we got this preview graphic, how it looks on the phone. A little bit more information on the colors. I think that this box looks a little bit better. And that's all. So let's take a look on the cases. I think that they look almost identical when we talk about the size of the case. I'm not going to grab to the hand. Both feels very solid, but this one is more flexible, as you can see. It's made of one piece of the rubber, and this one is made... Oh, this rubber is definitely tougher. And on the back we can find plastic. So here we got the different materials. This one feels a little bit harder than this one, definitely. But let's take a look how it looks on the phone. Okay, it's easy to put it on. And take a look, it looks like that. Cut out for cameras and for Apple logo. But honestly, in the protective cases, I think it will be better if this part will be also covered with this rubber. And here we got this frame that is a little bit above our camera, so when we are going to put it on the flat surface, it's not going to scratch our camera. So that's very nice and useful. And the same for the front screen. As you can see, it's a little bit above screen. Take a look on the buttons. There's nice click on the volume up, volume down and power key. Easy access to the switcher, so we can easily turn it on or turn it off, the silent mode. At the bottom, take a look. Also good access to the charging lightning port, cutout for speakers. And looks nice. Feels good in the hand. Definitely is not going to slip from my hand. And it's also easy to take it off. And by the way, in the edges we can find it's called the air cushion technology, and it works like the airbag in the car. That's what they gave it. I mean, that's the information from the Spigen website about the technology. And you can find the small cutouts on the edges, as you can see at the top and the bottom. So that's that air cushion technology. Let's move to the Urban Armor Gear Plasma. Okay, it's also easy to put it on. And looks the same like here. So we got this frame, it covers our cameras. What about the screen? It also goes a little bit above the screen, so the same like here. Take a look on the buttons. Nice click. Volume up, volume down. Power key. No problem with the buttons, as you can see. What about the silent switcher? Take a look. It's also easy to turn it on and turn it off. And what about the charging port? It also looks pretty easy to put the lightning cable here. What do you think? Which one looks better? I think that this one looks a little bit like modern, I think. Let me try to charge with this wireless charger. As you can see, this case supports wireless charging. And what about this Spigen? As you can see, both cases support wireless charging. So, I think that's all. That's a small comparison between these two protective cases from the two different companies. You can tell me what you think about them. I'm going to quickly check prices of these cases. So let me do this right now. So we got Urban Armor Gear Plasma, iPhone 13. Okay, it's around $45. And what about the Spigen? Rugged Armor, iPhone 13. And this one is definitely cheaper. So this one we can get for like $15. So they are not expensive. What you think about them? I think that this one looks better. This one is cheaper, but both looks really nice. This one feels like it's a little bit tougher. I think that this one will protect our smartphone a little bit better, I think. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.